Well, the relationships are starting, and these things take time, so I think it's important that people understand that it's just not a plug and play. So a lot of people that have been first time feel like if we walk away with something or nothing, it's not worth it. Well, this is a marathon, and so we understand that. And the Marcus Evans team was helpful to say, hey, once you start, we will help through this journey. This is not something of a light switch on and off. We're going to continue down this path together. So we've been able to foster many relationships just by attending, not only through the one-on-ones, but through the networking, through the special events that the Marcus Evans team's plans, whether that's the fun ones in the evenings, those are awesome, but also just the encouragement of getting to know people at certain roundtable discussions, at the best practice deliveries that they have for everybody to attend, and then the follow-up on that is just exceptional. The hesitation was the unknown, and you have to put away your biases and just try something new. And it's much better than going to something that you don't know anything about, because you actually have somebody there to help you, and they're going to break down the barriers for you. So your fear of the unknown is already released by the Marcus Evans team. They're putting you in an environment with a community that is welcoming you. It's not something that you need to worry about that you're not welcome. It is an open door, red carpet. You come here, we have people that want to talk to you. We already know that you want to talk to them. So we're going to make those two pair together quite well, and that completely eliminated the unknown and the fear and just encouraged the level of engagement for us.